Listen to me. Every school that you go to, whether it's middle school, high school, or college, they all have a honor roll list. They all have a dean's list. I want you to go to the front office and I want you to request that list. And I want you to look at that list, all those names on that list. Look at the top 5 names. Boom, 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 boom. Look at those top 5 names and say, this is my new peer group. This is my new friends. This is my new clique. This is my new gang. I'm hanging around these people because I want what they have. They have what I want. They are where I want to be. So once you start hanging around those people, you'll start picking up their habits. You'll start getting the same results as they get. You start asking them questions. What do you do? How did you get on the honor roll? How did you get straight A's? How did you get a 4.0? How much do you sleep? How often do you study? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for dinner? How often do you hang with people? Who are the people that you hang around with? How did you, if you don't know what to ask, always ask how. How did you get to where you are? And they'll teach you.